No shot, chat. This shit just fucking popped on me right now. I'm on the side of the freeway, literally on the side of the freeway, going like 5-10 miles per hour. No shot, brother, no shot. Bro, the exit to my house is literally right down the street. Like, literally, I can see it. I'm not gonna make it though, bro. Like, this shit is like so popped. Like, I wanna show you guys, but I hope to God I make it, but it's chalked. This thing is just, I don't know what the fuck happened, to be honest with you guys. It smells like burnt ass tire, bro. Oh my God, brother. I am so scared that it might just pop right here where I'm at. If so, it's so chalked. I'm gonna get stuck in the intersection, gang. Guys, I think we might actually make it. I'm around the corner from my house. Oh my God. No shot. I just did that. Oh my God. No shot. I just made that entire trip right now from the freeway. Holy fuck, man. Jesus. So strange. Look at, I chewed out the fucking rim right now going up the driveway. Jesus Christ. All right, guys, today is the next day of my tire popping. So I just went under the car right now and I found out the inside of the tire was actually on wires. So that's the reason why it popped. Holy shit, buddy. Talk about camberware. Look at that. What the fuck? Down to the wires, brother. Well, gonna be getting a new tire put on this tomorrow, so. Sitting on 2x4s. All right, guys, it is currently 8:25 in the morning. I'm on my way to drop off my tire at America's Tires. They're gonna go ahead and fix my tire for me. And yeah, I have the car on the jack, only on one side. I have to replace the other side, but having the car on jacks or whatever, 2x4s on both sides is kind of diabolical. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop this one off to get fixed. Then I'm gonna slap it on, then I'm gonna come back later today after I get off work. So that's what we're doing today. I'm about to pull up to America's Tires. It seems like they have the best prices compared to Firestone and all these other mom and pop shops, which is insane. I think they have another company called Discount Tires. So, I mean, in the name itself, it pretty much tells you that they're cheap. So, yeah, pulling up right now. I'm gonna drop this tire off and then I'm gonna head home and go to work. The Holy Land. Successfully dropped off the tire, paid $292 for it. All right, y'all, just got off of work, heading to America's Tire right now to pick up my wheel / tire. And I brought the F-150 today. I left the other car at home, my mom's car. I decided to bring the truck because I thought it was gonna be much easier. Just put the tailgate down and boom, she's in there. But yeah, I'm on my way. I'm literally around the corner, so I should be there in like 5 minutes. But I'm super excited to slap it on. And I'm most excited on slapping a brand new tire on there because the smell of brand new tire on the asphalt smells too damn good. There it is, boys. Brand new tire, man. Look at that. God, I miss buying new tires, but I have no cash for that. So anyways, headed back home to go slap this onto the car and then we could drive her. Oh yeah, baby, we in the whip with the new tire. Let's see how it feels. It's probably gonna feel fucking dog shit, but it's all right. I ain't really tripping about it. I'm just super happy that we got it fixed, and I got half a tank, so that's pretty good. So anyways, I'm headed to a party right now, so yeah, I'll give it a quick test. So let's get it. Guys, she's riding smooth, man. It's so weird because when it popped, it just feels so weird. Obviously, like, you have no tire and like you're going like 5-10 miles per hour, and to have like a actual tire on there now, it feels so good. The alignment's kind of fucked though. Shut the fuck up, bro. God damn, I get it, okay? Anyways, just wanted to keep you guys updated. Yeah, super short video, but we got the tire on there. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. I'm done yapping. I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care, peace out, stay safe, and I love you guys. Peace.